What if you could have a conversation in your mind with the most brilliant people in history? Imagine asking Einstein about creativity, Shakespeare about storytelling, or Elon Musk about innovation, all in English. Sounds like a fantasy, right? But today, we'll explore how you can create mental English conversations with famous personalities to enhance your English fluency and mindset simultaneously. The story begins. Arun was a young man eager to improve his English but found traditional methods boring. One evening, while sitting in his small room with a notebook and pen, he stumbled upon an idea that changed everything: mental conversations. He decided to simulate discussions with famous figures from history and present. If I can't meet them in real life, why not create their voices in my head, he thought. The first encounter: Albert Einstein. Arun closed his eyes and imagined sitting in a cozy library with Einstein. He started the conversation in English. Arun: Mr. Einstein, how did you come up with such groundbreaking ideas? Einstein: Arun, curiosity is the key. Ask questions and never stop exploring. But tell me, how curious are you about improving your English? Arun: very curious. I practice daily, but I'm stuck with grammar rules. Einstein: think of grammar like the rules of physics. Once you understand them, focus on creativity, how to express your thoughts clearly. This imaginary talk not only boosted Arun's confidence but also inspired him to practice English without overthinking grammar mistakes. A dramatic conversation: Shakespeare. Next, Arun imagined meeting Shakespeare on a rainy evening under a streetlight. Arun: Mr. Shakespeare, how do you create such poetic lines? Shakespeare: words, dear Arun, are like music. Choose them wisely and let them flow. Why don't you describe this rain to me in English? Arun hesitates. The rain is falling. Gently. Shakespeare: gently. But why not say, the rain dances gracefully upon the earth, whispering secrets to the night? Arun laughed but realized he could use metaphors and vivid imagery to make his English more expressive. A modern twist: Elon Musk. Finally, Arun imagined sitting in a futuristic office with Elon Musk. Arun: Mr. Musk, how do you stay so focused while juggling so many projects? Musk: simplify. Focus on what's essential. What's your essential goal, Arun? Arun: to speak fluent English without fear. Musk: then, have fearless conversations mentally or out loud. Even if you talk to the stars, practice daily. Start small, but think big. This mental dialogue encouraged Arun to write down bold, futuristic sentences in English and practice them aloud. The results: Arun's mental English conversations transformed his learning. He learned: 1. From Einstein, be curious and don't fear mistakes. 2. From Shakespeare, play with words and use imagination. 3. From Musk, simplify your goals and practice boldly. Within months, Arun's fluency improved dramatically. He shared this technique with friends, proving that you don't need to meet great minds in person to learn from them. Your imagination is the only limit. So, who would you like to have a mental English conversation with? Let your imagination take you to places where learning knows no boundaries. Share your thoughts in the comments below, because the first step to improving your English is starting the conversation.